visitors give a big yay for the CDA. They keep Monstropolis toxin-free. This is a test of the Child Detection Emergency Broadcast System. This is only a test. Attention visitors, for your safety while motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Boo!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me with
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky!
My name is Wazowski, and on my birthday, I thought you heard about me.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one.
You got your darts ready.
Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. This is the girl we're looking for. Situation.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
No? Oh, no. It's Lemon.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Mine, good night.
Love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990.
Meant to go behind you. People, that's right. Nothing to see here. You've all been taken care